Hey there, music lovers. If you're an Amazon Prime member, you're in for a treat because Amazon Music is included with your subscription. In this video, we'll dive into how to make the most of Amazon Music in 2025, whether you're streaming on your phone, tablet, or computer. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have an active Amazon Prime membership. If you do, head over to the Amazon website or download the Amazon Music app from your device's App Store. It's available for iOS, Android, and even desktop platforms. Once you've got it installed, open the app and sign in with your Amazon account credentials. That's your email and password, easy peasy. Now, once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. This is your gateway to millions of songs, playlists, and podcasts. Use the search bar to find your favorite artists or albums, or check out the Recommended for You section for personalized suggestions based on your listening history. Pro tip for 2025. Amazon is rolling out even smarter AI recommendations, so keep an eye out for that. Next, let's talk about creating your own playlists. Tap on the Library tab, hit Create Playlist, and start adding songs. You can even download tracks for offline listening, perfect for those long commutes or flights. Don't forget to explore exclusive Prime features like ad-free streaming and high-quality audio options. One cool thing about 2025 is the integration with other Amazon services. For example, you can link it with your Alexa devices for voice-controlled playback. Just say, "Alexa, play my Amazon Music playlist," and you're good to go. Alright, that's the basics wrapped up. Using Amazon Music with your Prime membership is a fantastic way to enjoy unlimited music without extra costs. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon. Drop a comment below if you have questions. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.